Hi, I'm Danica and welcome to my YouTube channel Simple Things Matter. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete messages in Gmail account in bulk so that you don't need to delete it one by one. That will really take time. So in this page, actually I almost clear out this tab which is from social. I'm done clearing out promotions tab. So from social, you can see I only have a total of 48 messages. So you just need to click this box that will be selecting all messages from this page. Then hit the delete button here. Then everything will be deleted. So you're good to go. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.